the set by 3. They're up in terms of sets 2-0. Boom Gonzalez, Doc Ian Laurel, Apple David, Judy Sarrell, Direk Abet Ramos at the helm of this ABS-CBN Sports exclusive and live coverage. Exciting matches here in the UAP as Lasal gets that point. Coach Oji Mamon says, "Wag na kayo magreklamo." Lamang ang Lasal ng 4.
Esperanza with a lucky break there because that set was really an overset, but it crossed and landed on the line. So good break, good lucky break there for Esperanza.
Defending champions staring at the barrel here, down 2 sets, but up 9, serving 5. Overcooked. Oh! Bumagsak. Yun yung mga tinatawag ko na ano nga,
Floater.
Oh, tapos yung
biglang bumababa.
Yan. Sinasadya po yan, ha? Hindi po champa-champa.
No spin on the ball.
Patay na patay. Ano yung bola?
Yan ka na no, violent.
Ay, sorry. Yung bola naman, kaya nga sabi ko bola eh.
Tignan nyo, server. Hatiin nyo yung court. Tignan nyo. Kasi nag-aasahan kayo eh. Ang area mo, likod and front. Huwag na yung side. So, hatiin mo sa 3. Mela, back row player ka, clear out. Bigay mo na kay Butod, Judy at Maru. Okay?
Alam mo kung anong pinaka-importanting tanong dito ngayon? Marunong ka bang gumamit nung ginagamit ng Lord?
Inaantay ko nga yung parol eh. Inaantay ko nga yung parol. Coach, parol yan ha.
Alam mo, Doc, digital age na tayo ha. That is called the tablet for if you don't know.
Pwede pala yun.
Oh, pwede yun.
Pwede ha.
Yung chok sa sahig, panahon mo yun.
Wala na yun. Kaya pala wala akong nakikita mga sulat ng chok dito sa sahig natin.
5 ang UST, 10 for Lasal. Esperanza sets up 2. Uy! She knew she hit that wrong.
There was a mishit right there, but the defense of UST, sabi nga ni Coach Oji Mamon, nag-aasahan. So during that timeout, he said split the court, make sure you cover your area and don't rely on your teammate to be the one to get the ball. Pag nasa area mo yan, sa'yo yan.
Alam mo, humabol na kasamang iyan itong UST in terms of reception errors. Kanina, napakadami sa Lasal.
I was about to say, it was their turn to have those reception errors.
34 for Lasal, 29 for UST. So 5 na lang ang, malaki pa rin yung 5, but humabol na rin itong UST. And play finally for UST there to stop the bleeding. 6 serving 11. And it is the 4th year open spiker, Maru Banaticla. Gives us a service error.
Service errors for UST adding on to their problems.
Si Maru, batang UST din talaga yan, ano? Parang si Rhea, no?
Exactly.
High school.
And itong UST right now, down by 6. And this is what we were saying. After winning 2 sets, may tendency ka talagang mag-relax. Magkaroon ng kumpiyansa na...
So you think it's that, not Lasal playing
no,
better?
Definitely.
It's Lasal, it's UST na medyo nagre-relax sa tingin mo?
Well, part of it, yeah, I would say. But De La Salle, more composure here in this 3rd set. And you can see that their reception has definitely improved. And I think that's the key for them to win this set.
Be quick. Now, Micah Reyes this time putting it away. Cross court.
Parang pangalawang point pa lang yun yan.
Reyes. With the aid of the net there to give them another 6-point spread. The setter Esperanza. Tunay digging it up. Caballejo too far.
Now it's their turn to have some attack problems. Wala.
And Caballejo doesn't like it when it's that far, as you know, as we've seen her over the years. There are, again, for those watching volleyball for the first time, these attackers of ours here in the UAP have their preferences. Of course, it is their job to adjust. But meron pa rin yan yung mga strong points nila. And sa likod ni Ortiz bumagsak ang bola. Smart move by Micah Reyes to the delight of the Lasal crowd here. Their biggest lead of the match at 8, 15-17.
Poor defense there from Lantin. Actually, that was supposed to be her ball. But Cabalejo still tried to get to it. Lastimosa going in right now. First time.
First time. So si Coach Ogie naman yung ngayon napipilitang humugot. Kanina si Coach Ramil eh. Ngayon si Coach Ogie naman ang naghahanap ng kombinasyon at ang abante ng Lasal ay umabot na po ng siyam. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.